Welcome to the Shakaama Live Show with your host, Shakaama. So, today I'm answering Patron questions. You can donate at patreon.com/Shakaama. The information is in the information box. Just click on the link and donate. Number one, how to obtain a good credit score. Obtaining a good credit score is easy. It doesn't take a lot of money at all. Here is the easiest way to do it. Put all of your bills on automatic pay. Put them on automatic pay, put direct deposit to your bank, do everything automatically. The system is geared to promote the system. Credit is intrinsically a part of the system. Now, about that, you should update your passwords monthly. Every month, put in new passwords for everything. If you want to be really secure about it, once a week, and if you're super secure, once a day. You can go online to Google or anything else and say, generate a password for me. Do the maximum that the particular thing that you're using, if it's electric bill or something like that, do the maximum password for that. Also, as I said in another thing, make sure you do not click on anything in your email. Go to that particular website, log in yourself, and always do it that way. All right, because these scammers will make stuff look like it's the actual company emailing you. So it might actually look like your electric company is trying to send you an email. No, you go to the electric company website and you do all of your transaction directly yourself. Don't click on anything in your email. Number two, how to build wealth. Well, I did a whole series on how to build wealth. But briefly, how to build wealth is simply reduce your expenses. Reduce your expenses. The main reason people remain poor is because they go out to eat all the time. They buy new shoes. They buy coffee every day. It's just crazy. Now, I told you women have wised up, married women have wised up, and even women who are in CEO positions have sat down and done the math, and they have said, I am going to work. I need a car. I need clothes. I need makeup. I need coffee in the morning. I need daycare. I need all of these expenses of her going to work adds up to more than what she actually brings home. How's that for crazy? And a lot of this stuff is expected of you. Car insurance. So you have a second car, or you might even have a third car. You have car insurance, car upkeep, wardrobe upkeep, makeup upkeep, all of this stuff that you have to keep paying. And actually, you're not making money because you're also not getting raises that are keeping up with inflation. So you're paying inflation. Just as every time you go to vote, they keep asking you to raise the sales tax because of the poor children and the hungry and the needy and the blah, blah, blah. And everybody goes, oh, let me raise the tax. Meanwhile, if you look in 10 years, they've raised taxes 20 times. And they had promised before that it was for the poor and the hungry and needy. And the poor and the hungry and needy haven't gotten any less hungry, any less poor. Right? So you are paying inflation all the time, but you're not getting inflation raises. So reduce your expenses. Second, try and have some sort of business, something where you sell a good or service to other people, because that is the only way to build wealth. Then, number three, go study how to pay as the least amount of taxes. These people who run around saying you need to pay your fair share of tax. First of all, anybody saying that, normally they're all poor, they're all broke, and broke people don't pay taxes. Only the super duper rich pay actual taxes. All the rest of you are concerned about taxes. You're not the ones who are actually paying the taxes. You're just making yourself poor. You have 35% in taxes on your income, and you only have income. You don't have any residual income or any passive income or any 15% generating investments. You are paying out the nose, and all it's doing is really literally taking money out of your pocket. So try and pay as least amount of taxes as possible. Okay, question 3. Many of my family and friends view me as odd because I'm 33 and have no children. I've always wanted to get married to someone who is driven as I am before I had children, so I wanted to get your take on this. My take on that is that's an excellent choice, but at 33, your DNA is breaking down already. At 33, even at 33, your DNA is already breaking down. If you had really wanted to get married, it would have been before that. And there are plenty of men out there who are fantastic, who are driven. You have to associate with people who are driven. You can't be in the hood and talk about, well, I can't find anybody driven. Of course you can't find anybody driven. You need to go hang out at the ballet. You need to go hang out at the opera. You need to go hang out at charity events. Yes, that means, or you need to go to restaurants where the entree costs $25 or more. I told you. Okay, and how do I prepare myself for whatever future husband I may have? Make sure get an old-fashioned husband, somebody who's traditional, because I'm here to tell you, all of these new fandangled guys who want to cry on your shoulder, but they also what comes along with that is they will cry on your shoulder, but they also will leave you at the drop of a hat because there is no commitment to any sort of relationship. Go get you a traditional guy who's going to treat you like a traditional woman because marriage is tradition. These new people, these new 35-year-old and under guys, no, they don't look like. Why? Because women have told them marriage is just it's just a tax. It's just a piece of paper. No, right? Those people who think like that are going to treat marriage like that. There's no promise. There's no commitment. There's no whatever, right? So if you want to be married and you want to stay married and be secure in your life, did you hear me? Be secure in your life. Go find a traditional guy. That's the only way. And also then, don't let your girlfriends tell you, oh, he's square. Oh, he treats you like garbage. Oh, he doesn't believe in feminism. You know what? They ain't got nothing. In fact, I'd get rid of those types of friends too. Thank you and continue posting. Okay, I will. Thank you for your donation. That's at patreon.com/Shakaama. Thank you everybody for listening. You can donate there and ask me questions too. Thank you.